Semi Malabo, an act of enkindling of fire, is one of the most significant rituals practiced by the Liangmai community during the early times and even today. The main purpose of this act is to ignite and generate fire. This act has a higher cultural connotation. It is to create a newness, an act of sanctification for a new life. Such acts are performed during the greatest festival, Tsagangi of Liangmai, and also during the creation of a new village by an elder who would be the chief. Kabuipi Hengbo. Kabuipi Hengbo is a kind of traditional game played and practiced since time immemorial. It is a gender-based activity initially and is linked to a festival or a ceremony. The winning competitors of the game are heralded with a blessing by an oldest man of the village invoking the name Apau Tedluang. The victorious competitors in return hand a gift called the Sini as a gesture of gratitude to the Singgu, to the man who blessed them. Magubo, ho-hoing. Magubo or ho-hoing is an outcry of a group of manfolk from low to its climax, intended for expression, praising and yelling as an exclamation or proclamation at the victory of man in various occasions like games, etc. It is an act of revering or felicitating a social status. During this occasion of ho-hoing, an elder of the community gives a signal to the end with a unique scream. It is an important social practice that demands for rules, time, and place.